Hello friends, welcome back to our Shapes Adventure. I am your magic pencil and today we are going on a fun journey. We'll draw some shapes together and you can guess what they are. Are you ready? Perfect! Let's start drawing. What could this be? It's round and smooth and with no corners. Yes, it's a circle. Circle is round, just like a ball we play with. Can you name more things that are circles? Yes, the sun, a clock, and even a plate you eat from. Now what shape has 4 equal sides? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squares. Yes, a square. Squares are everywhere. A gift box, a window, even a chessboard. Can you find some square near you? Maybe a book or a coaster. Here comes a shape with 3 sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's a triangle. Triangles can look yummy like a slice of pizza, pointy like a roof, or sharp like a traffic sign. Touch your fingers together above your head. Ta-da! You made a triangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Yes, it's a rectangle. Rectangles are tall and useful, like a door, a book, or even your mobile phone. Can you stretch your arms wide? That's just like the long side of a rectangle. Wow! This one is special. Twinkle, twinkle, what shape shines at night? Yes, a star! Stars are magical. They twinkle in the sky. We draw them on our notebooks and sometimes we get them as a reward for good work, like a gold star. Let's all twinkle our fingers like stars in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle. Great job, friends! We learned circle, round like a ball, square, box or a window, triangle, slice of pizza, rectangle, door, star, twinkle in the sky. Shapes are everywhere around us. Can you look around your room right now and find one circle, one square, and one triangle? Go ahead, I'll wait. Did you find them? Amazing! You are super shape detectives. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me, Magic Pencil, on this Shapes Adventure. Don't forget, shapes are hiding everywhere. Keep looking, keep learning, and keep smiling. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.